All right, so today we did what we did last week, which it was a Madrid into a hammerlock, hip roll, prep turn, follow shadow, and getting out of it. Yes?
Sí.
And today we continue that by getting out of the shadow into a turn.
Yep.
Did a couple of rock steps, a prep turn, and a turn. Simple as that.
Sure.
Okay, let's do it. So,
From the beginning?
From the beginning, yeah, why not?
Okay.
Basic. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and that's it. Just kidding. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up. When you go up, please don't. I see some of the leads like literally gripping.
No.
I'm like, no, it's a high five.
It's a high five.
Open the hand, don't be like this or like this. No gripping. Hammerlock. Hip roll. Prep turn. Shadow. Basic. Prep and a turn. Turn your follow again. Grab the wrist. That was the rock steps. And 5, 7, 8. Yes? Let's do it again.
Sure.
So, do it from this side. Just counts. Okay. Madrid. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, tap. 5, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. Turn your follow. Turn your follow again. Rock steps. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5. Prep turn. 1, 2, tap. 5 and bonus turn. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 8, 1. Yes.
Good job.
Good job.
Fantastic job.
Practice, practice.